Hey, it's Dr. Mo again at Fairfax, and we're here in Chiropractic Care Center. Riza is one of my staff members. Today we're going to go ahead and adjust her. She hasn't been adjusted in a while, and she says her low back hurts, so we're going to check everything and go from there. Riza, go ahead and go face down for me. I put Riza a lot of work, so she's probably tight. So we're going to do a leg check here, and her low back is out on the right side. Let's see. All right, take a deep breath for me, Riza. Good. All the way up. Goodness. Hello. All right. This side up. Right side up for me. Riza has almost a 3-year-old as well at home, so she's always running around after him. So deep breath for me. All the way up. Good. That one all these other side for me. Deep breath. All the way up. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. Your favorite part. Ready? Relax for me. Alright, let's just check everything. Go face down for me. How was that? Was that okay?
Yes, it was.
Beautiful. So she's got motion again. All right, you are done.
Thank you.